Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have a unboxing and it's from Amazon. It is a handbag and I'm going to unbox this with you today.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Found this on Amazon at a really good price. So we are going to see what she looks like. Okay. Can you tell? Can you tell what it is? Once you can see, it is Coach. And this is the Coach LANA. I did a video on the 19th, on the Coach LANA 19, so you can see that in my past videos, and I'll try to post it here. But this one is a size up. So I got it for a really good deal on Amazon, and I thought that I would just go ahead and get her. And she, oh my goodness, she is beautiful. Wow. So she is really nice, guys. This is the Marlowe, and this is the LANA 23. And she looks like the 19, so the sides of the bag are the same. You have a little hang tag. Your C emblem is here. And let's see what the inside looks like. Now, the 19 has a chain strap, and this looks to be a leather. I think I could detach it from here. Seems to be a leather strap. There is a Coach dust bag in here. And we're going to unpack her. Let's see here. All right. I just love this color. Now, why did I want to get the 23? Because I realized that I really like, and take this down so it doesn't look too messy. But I really did like the 19, and I wanted to just have the one size up. Don't think I'm going to go for the larger size, because there's a size larger than, what is, oh, it's really packed. So this is the middle section of the bag, a little tag there. So I think I got everything out so I can show you what it looks like interior. Put that strap, the dust bag aside. Let's set this aside for a second. All right, so here we go. That is, see the leather interior. This is the magnetic middle section of the bag, and then you have the back area. So more space than the 19. You have your patch in there as well. You have your two clips, D-rings here to attach the bag. And the Marlowe is very nice. This Marlowe is very nice. I do like it. I would probably carry her as a top handle. And I think I carry a bit more in the 19th than I thought, but I believe I can carry all my essentials in this 23. This is like really the perfect size. I love the 19. I think it's super cute, but this 23 for someone who's transitioning from well, I'm not going to say I'm transitioning because I'm always going to like me a large bag. But for someone who wants to expand their collection to include more smaller, wearable, smaller bags, this is definitely a good one to ease into without going too tiny. So I think this one will work in the 23. And once I carry her, I will do another video to let you know how she worked. But right now, she is definitely a yes. I will be keeping her, and I'll do another video on how it works for me. Thank you. Listen, if you're interested in this content, lifestyle content, content on bags and other things in this life, uh, please subscribe, comment. You have any more questions about it? Do you have the 23? What do you think about the 23? Do you carry it? Any positives about it? Some things that you don't like about it? Just let me know. And I think, oh, I should have told you this. For the price, I believe, oh my gosh. Okay, it's on here. This one goes for $3.95. Yeah, this one goes for $3.95 on the Coach retail site. And I was able to get this on Amazon for under $300. It was, I think it was like 280 or something like that. So it was just this color, the Marlowe, that was at that discounted rate. So I was super happy about it and was able to grab it. All right. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Signing off.